I'm a funded futures trader now, bro. What do you do? Yes, Top Step is simulated for most of the journey. There are 3 stages, and only the last one touches the real market. 3 stages, the combine simulated, you pay monthly to try. Real CME data, fake fills. This is the test. Express funded account, XFA, still simulated, you pass. Your balance starts at 0. Sim. What are you doing out here? Are you still working in the background? Oh, you a bad motherfucker. Express funded XFA, still simulated, you pass. Okay, your balance is 0. Live funded account, real capital, real CME. This is the only stage where your orders hit the actual order book and you cannot ask for it. Their risk team picks it. Wait, so how does this, when trading on Top Step, how do you report taxes on there? Because if it's not real trading, then yeah, how does that go? Because I know you need to submit all your trades, but if it's just simulated, do you not submit until you go to the real market? How do they handle all that? 1099 NEC, you get paid. How much can you build with no key? Free, no key, no account, all market data, indicators, signals, back tests on real HL candlesticks, position sizing and risk math, everything up to the moment of buy 0.001. Needs the account as the auth, your account ID, placing orders, okay. So the brain is free and the hands are not. That's maybe 80% of the code by volume, but the 20% you can't test is where every bug lives. Reduce only, flipping, use short, ULID, ID and potency, cancel return 201, building that blind and plugging it in day 1. How you find all 4 at once with money on. One thing to be aware of, the key alone isn't enough. The chain is account, Stripe checkout, challenge, account ID exists, okay. Also correcting something from the earlier research, it claimed a free beta environment with fake money you could test against before paying. I went through their whole docs, repo, quick start, and SDK. There's no such thing documented. API.beta.proper.xyz is just the URL base. It's nothing like Hyperliquid. This is the part worth internalizing. It's the opposite model. So you Google sign in, Proper holds everything, they issue everything. You never touch Hyperliquid at all. No wallet, no signing, no private key anywhere in the loop. Proper holds HL positions in its own account. You send instructions to Proper server. The Proper decides whether to mirror them on HL. You're a customer of a web API that happens to trade on Hyperliquid. You're not a Hyperliquid trader. Real trade-off, no key management risk, which is generally nice, but full counterparty risk and a switch they control. Exact inverse of your HL bots where you hold the keys and nobody can turn you off. Yes, simulated, and that's exactly why there's no private key. Your Instinct connected the right 2 things. There's no private key because you're not custodying anything or transacting on chain. You're trading entries on Proper's ledger, okay. The terms say evaluation accounts are 100% simulated with the proper mirroring positions on a live market at their discretion. That said, it's a better sim than Top Steps. Top Steps simulated, matching engine, no queue position, no real slip. Up 40%, okay. Up 28% off that release. $333 million market cap. Expensive. What is this Chonketha? Because this keeps running in my wallet. Chonketha? The wet. An exciting role in this future. Okay, so you know how everybody was so pumped about AI is going to change the world? Nobody thought about that. Hey, every developer has access to this AI, okay? So it's just like, okay, the entrepreneurs out there, all of them have access to AI. It's an equal playing field. Yes, we might be more productive, but it's not like you're the only one with AI. You're the only one with Claude Code. So I think that's why we're seeing these companies not have like miraculous leaps forward, because their competitor has the same thing. Like Uber has the same AI that Lyft does. DoorDash has the same AI as Uber Eats does. We all have the same tools. We all got access to the internet, whatever it may be. But at the end of the day, I think this makes anybody that has ideas, passion, and ambition able to build whatever they want. But some people are lazy, so they're never going to cook. Okay, so this is gonna be sick, bro. Watch this. The button at the bottom that has YouTube, the YouTube button, it does not work because it doesn't have the @ symbol in there. So please add this link to be that button. Thank you. Good call, Brody. Thank you. Are all your bots and guides with Hyperliquid? No. A lot of my guides started with CCXT prior to this, so CCXT connects to any exchange. CCXT here connects to pretty much any exchange. So in the course, I go ahead and I show you how to connect to exchanges and build bots with CCXT. And then I also show how to do it Hyperliquid. I think it's important to be able to use a router like CCXT, but also be able to use directly to the exchange, because then you can kind of do anything for the rest of your life. Built it and put in top step here, the helper layer, the same shape as your Hyperliquid one. Okay. Starter explores it. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go to open in cursor. Let's go to top step here. Okay, top step, and this will be starter.py, copy path. Just kind of want to explore cdb cd Python, run it. Starter.py.
Okay, I found this on the web for Python.
No, shorty.
Check it out.
No, stop it. I'm not talking to you. Did I say Siri? No. It says CD. No bots found. I get this error. I think it's just because where I'm calling it from. Yeah, that's it. But I don't like it like that. So where was this? I get this error because I just run it from the path, but just go ahead and fix it. Thank you. She's feeling left out for real. She got left in 2008, 2012. When are they going to make Series 6 is my question. I think they're working on that right now. I hope at least. But that led me to a place that I'm 6 years in now, and I have a framework that works for me, and I can show you everything along the way. Essentially, the framework is this. It starts with an R. Research, come up with ideas, make a list of ideas. I gave these AI agents a huge list of ideas here. Okay, so this is the research. This is coming off of videos, books, papers, podcasts, ideas that I have. I'm not just saying, hey, AI, go think of ideas. Everybody's going to do that, right? And if everybody's going to do the same thing, it's the same thing as like why I can't